So guys, this is the ingredients: aniseed, ginger, garlic in there, peppers, tomatoes, and these are my ingredients. This is giawaria. So this is what we're gonna make our soup with. My choice of meat today is goat's meat. You can use any meat of your choice. Yeah, so let's get cooking. So now I've blended all my ingredients and I'm going to cook the meat with it so that I can get the taste. And by the way, I've set a little bit aside. Yeah, so when the soup is cooked, you just add it to it so you can still get the taste of the ginger and everything in your soup. Yeah. So now that our meat is steaming, I'm going to allow it to steam for about 5 minutes or 10. Then I will add in the tomatoes, everything to cook. Find out that I've got some dry fish. So I'm going to add a bit of just half of dry fish in it. Ajune too. So now that meat has been cooked for a little bit, I can now put my tomatoes and everything on it for it to. At this stage, you can just taste for your salt. If you need more salt, you can add more. I'm liking it already. So now I put my percocet in, and I'm going to using 2 Scotch bonnet. Half of our red pepper. And 3 big tomato, fresh ones. So now I'm going to allow this to, then I will blend it all and our soup will be done. So what's for dinner today? It's going to be our good old fufu and some apple cracker. My lovelies, I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, I am doing great here. So this month of May, we're doing what's for dinner. And yeah, if you have any tip, guys, sometimes it's just you don't know what to make. So I'm adding 1 big tomato. Oh, I say tomatoes, not tomatoes. It's you know what it is, girl. You know what it is. Now I'm going to blend my pepper and tomatoes. You know, it's not that hard, so you just, and I'm going to take my peppers, chilies out. What's this? Onion. So now your meat has been seasoned nicely, so you get the nice taste out of it now. Good. This linseed or whatever I called, mintia, I take that one off as well. so you don't bite in it, because I just use it to season my meat, and that's it. So now the gas is as low as possible, and I'm going to set up the dining table, and yeah, voila, what's for dinner? We are almost there. And I think now I'm doing great. I said we're having dinner at 6 o'clock, or African time, maybe 6:30. So it's, yeah, I still got time, because now about 30 minutes time this will be done, because I boiled the tomatoes, everything. So it doesn't need to take a longer time. Brofo. Yeah. So girl, I hope everything is going great with you. I am very now here. Uh, Sometimes figuring out what we're gonna have for dinner and all sort of thing is just too much. But hey, that's what we do. If you're a mom, a grandma, a stay-at-home dad, guys, some of the dads are very good, so we need to applaud them. We shouldn't take all the praise for it. Some men are so good. So I've managed to set up the table, because we're having fufu for dinner. The fufu is not done yet. The soup is still cooking. I've just done the table because we're having fufu for dinner. I didn't do anything, just to put the tables down, plates and everything set, so everyone will sit down and we can enjoy our dinner peacefully. Yay! All right, so let's go and finish off our soup. Shoots. I am going to put in the blended ginger and everything that I used to steam the meat. I just leave a little bit, so I'll just top it up with it, so you can taste the taste of the ginger and everything. That makes the soup nice. You remember Kumasi? I think it's, yeah, I forgot where that place was, but I know it was in Kumasi. That Bema Kwan. Then